Students of class 6, as we have already studied about the objects which have more than one type of motion in previous class. Okay, today we will discuss about the distance, measurement and need of a standard unit of measurement with SI unit of the length. First turn on the page 153 of your book. Okay, so you can see the distance topic is given there. So first turn on the page 153. Okay, first we have to know what is distance. So when you define the distance, it is actually the length of the space between two places or two positions, that is called as the distance. We can measure the length of two places in the form of units. We will study the units in next topic. Actually, what are the units? First we have to know distance. I have mentioned the length of the space between two places, as you can see in the book. Okay, so distance and the length both can be used in the same sense. Okay, now we have to know what is the measurement. It is the process by which we can compare an object with a standard unit of measurement. A standard unit of measurement. When you measure any type of object such as the cloth, and using the meter for measuring the length of the cloth, meter or centimeter as well. Okay, these are the units for measuring the length of the cloth. So measurement, you have to define it. See, process of comparing the object with the standard unit of measurement. So now the question is, what is the need of SI units of measurement? There are so many types of measurement to find the length. As for example, hand span, the length of the thumb from the little finger, that is hand span. The second one is forearm length. What is forearm length? The length from the elbow of yours to the forefinger is called forearm length. It is also known as cubit. Okay. You can see in the third paragraph. And the next one, the foot step. The length of your foot is called as the foot step, and it is also known as pace. So these are the units by which you can measure any type of length. But whenever these units will be taken, you should know that their lengths is not the same for all the person. That's why this these units cannot be used as the standard unit of measurement, because all of these units are different to one another. Okay, so these are the units, know that. Except these units, there are some other units which were used in the ancient times. The length of the fist, that is called as mutti in the normal form. The width of the finger, that is known as the angul. These are also used as the units of measurement of length. So you should know this. Okay. Now turn on the page 154. You should know that what is the unit of measurement. You can see the fixed value. Unit is a fixed value which cannot be changed from person to person or place to place. That is called as the standard unit of measurement. This means a standard unit of length can be used anywhere, can be used for any person, because they have the fixed value. It cannot be changed from country to country. In all over the world, it will have the same value. That's why it has taken as the standard unit of measurement. So normally we are using the standard unit of measurement, it cannot vary from person to person or place to place. Okay, so that's and this is the importance of standard unit of measurement. Now the most important part of the measurement, that when you are measuring the length of any object, it has two parts. First part is the digital form, or you can say the number, and the second part is the unit. When you are writing the measurement of anything or any object, you have to write the numbers as well as the units. What are the units? Just as meter, centimeter. These are known as the units. When you are writing, for example, if you take the length of the cloth is 5 meter. So here two parts are there, 5 and meter. 5 is actually the number and meter is the unit. What is 5 shows? 5 is actually shows the magnitude of the cloth, and meter is showing the unit. So whenever you are finding the or you're writing the measurement of the length, always write the number as well as the unit. Unit must be mentioned. I have already said so many times that without the unit you can't write the measurement of anything. Okay, listen it carefully. So unit is most important part of measuring the length of any object. So you do know this. So both should be mentioned. So, whatever I am discussing here, you should concentrate and read out these things. After attendance, I'll give you option to form a question by yourself and write the answer also by yourself.